In this video, I'll show you how to download the thumbnail from YouTube fast and free. All you need to do is to go to this website, then scroll down. You can see here YouTube thumbnail downloader. Here you need to enter your link from the video. Let's say I want to download this thumbnail, so I press on the video, copy the link, back to this website, paste here, and then press get thumbnail image. And now you can see the image here. You can download HD image, you can download SD image, normal image, so different sizes. So just press the download HD thumbnail image and you have that image, that thumbnail in your computer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.